Hi, this is Dr. Friedman. Sorry about my squeaky voice, but I had a bit of a cold this week, and aside from that, I'm fine. I need you all to please get to a Soundtrap account. I've sent you a link in an email. It is specific to your class, so please make sure you use the link in the email that I sent to you about Soundtrap. If you've ever used an account before, you have an existing account, and you need to connect with the Greenwich High School account. The last several digits of that account, beginning with a letter and then some numbers and letters, that will be the invite code. Here is the link that will take you there. So you use the link specific to your class with the invite code, and then it will ask you to please choose existing user. All of you choose existing user, and it will link us together into the Greenwich High School account. You may have to give it permission to do that. If you have a problem, send me an email. Thanks.